What's going on, guys? I wanted to show you the most simplest of Tesla chargers that came out in like 2020, 2019. These were given away with the cars. Now, this is actually my garage and this is my Tesla right here. And I want to show you how hot and how much power runs through these chargers every day and why you need a licensed electrician to install it. Check this out. Okay, I'm in New Jersey right now, and it's a beautiful, cool night. My garage is open. Look at the current. Look at the temperature of this cord. Okay, and here's the wall connector. Let me get right on the wall connector. That's 115 degrees. Let's go up to the 1450p. 107 degrees. So you can imagine how much current is running through into your car every night. So it's important that you hire a professional, especially from our network of experts around the nation. EV Charger Fast, the nation's #1 network for Google verified licensed electricians to install your EV charger. Find us, evchargerfast.com. See you in the next one.